Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Bottom line. The cheapest estimate for an out-of-pocket, uncomplicated battery replacement on the Model S should run at about $12,000 to $13,000 for the battery, $100 minus $200 for miscellaneous parts, and $500 minus $600 for labor.
Let's help you make your mark.
Tesla drivers that favor the vehicles for their high range and drive them long distances won't have much of a warranty if they buy secondhand. It's worth point out that Tesla's original warranties were some of the best on the market.
Take our lead.
So the simple answer to whether or not you should buy a used Tesla is the same when looking at many other used cars. As long as you do your due diligence in making sure the car is in good condition, buying a used Tesla is an okay idea.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.